Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today's topic might have you feeling a little nervous. Copyright claims on YouTube. We have all been there, staring at the notification with a sinking feeling. But fear not. This video we will equip you to understand copyright claims, how to avoid them, and even negative them if they happen. So, what is a copyright claim anyway? Imagine this, you spend hours crafting a fantastic video only to be hit with a copyright claim. A copyright claim is not quite as harsh as a strike. We will get to those later, but it basically means someone else owns the right to part of your content, little music or a video clip. How do copyright claims happen? There are few ways you might accidentally trigger a claim. Unintentional music match. Maybe you used a popular song in the background without realizing it was a copyrighted. Sneaky stock footage. Stock footage website can be tricky. Double check the license before using any clip. Forgot to cite. You might have used a short snippet under fair use but neglected to mention the source. The not so scary effect of claims. Copyright claims might limit your video's monetization, meaning you won't earn ad revenue on the specific video. However, it usually doesn't affect your channel directly. Copyright claim means if you create a video, then you need to share your earning with someone else who give you copyright claim in your video. To using their music, clips or anything, you may give percentage of your earning. So how can we avoid this claim? Now let's talk defense. Here's how to keep your content copyright claims free. Royalty free, friends. There are fantastic websites offering royalty free music and images specifically for YouTube creators. Permission is key. If your heart is set on using copyrighted materials, reach out to the copyright holder and get their written permission. Fair use, be clear. If you are using something under fair use, criticism, commentary or anything else, clearly cite your source in the description. So if you facing a claim, how can we remove this? Understand the claim. The notice will tell you what content is flagged and how file the claim. Dispute is valid. We have 30 days to dispute the claim if you believe it's a mistake. Reach out. Sometimes contacting the copyright holder can lead to resolution where they withdraw the claim. If you get music copyright, you can easily remove this music or mute this music, or you can easily change this music where you get the claim. You can easily see there are a option available to do this thing. Copyright claims can be hurdle, but by the understand them and following these tips you can avoid them and keep your creative flow going. Remember, the best defense is original content, but if you do use copyright materials, be responsible and follow the rules. Thanks for joining me. Leave me a comment below if you have any question about copyright claims. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more YouTube survival tips.